ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஸ்ரீ பகவத்கீதா 14th chapter, Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogam. In this chapter, Bhagavan is discussing about the three types of qualities, Sattvam, Rajas and Tamas. We have seen up to the 5th shlokam, where Bhagavan explained that these three qualities, Sattvam, Rajas, Tamas, they are always united with matter, Mula Prakriti, and they are binding the Jivatma in this body. So that was explained in the 5th shlokam. Now we have to see from the 6th shlokam. Bhagavad Ramanuja has given beautiful commentary for Sri Bhagavad Gita named Sri Gita Bhashyam. Vedanta Charya has given Tattarya Chandrika, which is another Sanskrita Bhashyam. Puttur Sri V. Krishnaswamy Iyengar has given elaborate Tamil explanation for Bhagavad Gita based on these two existing Vyakhyanams. We have translated the simple word by word meanings from Puttur Swami's Gita translation. We have done the translation into English. With the help of this English translation, we are going through the simple meanings for the Gita shlokams. Let us see the 6th shlokam now. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakashakam anamayam sukasangena badnati jnanasangena chanaga. So in this in the 6th shlokam of the chapter, Bhagavan is explaining about Sattvagunam. He is going to explain each gunam separately in detail. In this shlokam he is talking about Sattvagunam. So here he is saying that Sattvagunam leads to knowledge and bliss, which are the natural qualities of Jivatma, but still within the boundary of material realm. Because of this fact, even Sattvagunam binds the Jivatma in the body in this material world. Only through Shastram, which is present to give knowledge about Moksham, liberation and Paramapadam and Bhagavan and so on, one can attain real goal. So Sattvagunam facilitates to some extent, but just remaining on this Sattvagunam in the material platform is not sufficient, because it is still going to be binding in the material world only. So let us see the meanings for the word by word meanings for the shlokam. Anagha, O faultless. Because Arjuna is fully dependent on Bhagavan, he is called as faultless, Anagha. Tatra, among the three qualities, namely Sattvam, Rajas and Tamas. Sattvam, Sattvagunam, this Sattva quality, goodness. Nirmalatvat, since it is naturally revealing without concealing the Atma's knowledge and bliss. Since that is the natural aspect of Sattvagunam, to be transparently showing what is inside without concealing the Atma's knowledge and bliss. Prakashakam, it causes true knowledge to Atma. Anamayam, bestows healthy life. That Sukasangena, causing attachment to bliss. Jnanasangena, causing attachment to knowledge. Badnati, further binds the Atma which is in the body. So this Sattvagunam, which is still causing attachment to knowledge and bliss within this material realm, it is still a causage for bondage. It is still a cause for bondage. It is still binding the Atma in this material world. So Sattvagunam is good. It facilitates the Atma towards a peaceful thought process, intelligent analysis and so on. And it also facilitates the study of Shastram. Still, if one remains in the material platform, one will still seek bliss and knowledge and still remain in the stage of bondage only. So that is 6th shlokam. Next 7th shlokam. Rajo ragatmakam vidhi trishna sanga samudbhavam tan nibadnati kaunteya karma sangena dehinam. In this shlokam, Bhagavan explains about Rajogunam, which engages Atma, which engages the Jivatma in many activities and binds the Atma in the worldly material realm. Let us see the word by word meanings. Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, Rajaha, Rajogunam, Ragatmakam, cause of desire between male and female. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam, cause of desire towards worldly pleasures based on Shabda, etc. and attachment towards children, friends and so on. So this Sattvagunam, this Rajogunam is causing desire between male and female, this mutual attraction between the sexes, between the genders, different genders. It is also causing the desire towards worldly pleasures which are derived based on Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandham, and attachment towards children and friends and relatives and so on. Vidhi, no, you know that this Rajogunam is the cause for all of these. That Rajogunam, that Rajogunam, Dehinam, the Atma who is in the body, Karma Sangena, causing desire in worldly activities, Badnati, binds. That Rajogunam binds the Jivatma which is in the, who is in the body, further in the body by engaging the Jivatma in worldly activities, by engaging in worldly pleasures, worldly victories and so on. So this desire, this craving for fame, all of that is caused by Rajogunam. So that also binds the Jivatma in this material world, but it is binding through the activities which derive fame and wealth and so on. In Sattvagunam, the reason for our bondage here is because it binds us to knowledge and bliss. Still seeking bliss and knowledge engages one in this worldly realm and binds the Atma in the worldly realm. In the case of Rajogunam, the Atma is engaged in worldly activities and due to that, the Atma is further engaged in bondage. Now 8th shlokam, Bhagavan talks about Tamogunam. Tamastu Ajnanajam Vidhi Mohanam Sarvadehinam Pramadalasya Nidrabihi Tannibadnati Bharata. Tamogunam binds Jivatma in this material realm by causing carelessness, lethargy and sleep and so on. That is explained in this shlokam. Let us see the word by word meanings. Bharata, O descendant of Bharata, Tamaha tu, as for Tamogunam, the quality of ignorance, Ajnanajam, caused by misunderstanding the nature of entities. This Tamogunam is occurring due to misunderstanding the nature of the different entities, Jivatma, Achit, Ishvara. Because there is no clear understanding, one is acquiring this Tamogunam and that Tamogunam is increasing. Sarvadehinam, for all Atmas who have bodies, Mohanam causes knowledge which is contrary to righteousness. This Tamogunam leads to misunderstanding and it leads to knowledge which is contrary to virtuous activities, righteous activities. Vidhi, know about that. Tat, that. Pramada, alasya, nidrabihi, causing carelessness, lethargy and sleep. Nibadnati, binds the Atma. The Tamogunam, which is leading to sleep, carelessness, lethargy and so on, binds the Atma in this manner, we can see that due to Tamogunam, one's anger is rising, one's mistakes keep increasing, and one gets more attached to just being lazy and being sleepy and so on. Even in the night, we are sleeping for the whole time. That is because there is more Tamogunam in the night. Because of that, there is more sleep. So this binds the Atma further in this material realm, in the bondage, due to the misunderstanding of the different types of entities and the reaction of such misunderstanding. So that is Tamogunam. Now in the 9th Shlokam, Bhagavan explains all three of them together. He is summarizing the principles here. Let us see that. Sattvam Sukhe Sanjayati Rajah Karmani Bharata Jnanam Avrutya Tu Tamaha Pramade Sanjayatyuta. In this Shlokam, Bhagavan is summarizing the Sattvam, Rajas and Tamas, the three qualities. Bharata, O descendant of Bharata, Sattvam, the quality of Sattva, goodness, Sukhe Sanjayati, mainly creates attachment in joyfulness. The Sattva Gunam is creating attachment towards joy or being happy, being peaceful. Rajaha, Rajo, the quality of Rajas, the passion. Karmani Sanjayati, mainly creates attachment to actions. By constantly engaging in actions, one acquires more karma, more sins and virtues, and the bondage keeps on continuing. Tamaha tu, and the quality of tamas, the ignorance, jnanam avrutya, hiding the knowledge which makes one understand things as they are. Without the knowledge, when the knowledge is subdued, one's misunderstanding increases. In this manner, Pramade Sanjayati Utha mainly creates attachment in forbidden activities through carelessness. Shastram says we have to do this and this and this. For example, when Shastram recommends Sattvagunam, that is because when in Sattvagunam, one will be engaged in waking up at proper early hours in the morning, performing Snanam, Nitya Karmanushtanam, learning Shastrams. All of these will be done in a regular manner when Sattvagunam is prevalent. But when Rajogunam is prevalent, all of these will be reversed. There will be contrary actions, contrary activities. One will engage in activities which are forbidden in Shastram because of their carelessness. And because of all of this, it is causing further destruction in the Jivatma. So this Sattva, Rajo, Tama Gunam, they are explained in these Shlokams. Further they will be explained in subsequent Shlokams also. We will see them in the next session. Alvar Emberumanar, Jiyar Tiruvadigalai Sharanam, Jiyar Tiruvadigalai Sharanam.
To learn such valuable information about our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.